guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you this nice quick updo that I did using my previous parting style. So if you want to see how I did this parting, please check out my previous video. And I'll be using X-pression hair for this style, guys. 2.5 packs for this gorgeous style. First things first, guys, I'm just going to show you how to braid. I'll separate the hair into 3 and then start braiding down, and I'll do the same with the rest. Make sure you tie a knot at the end, guys. And for this style, we're going to start at the back, but I just wanted to show you guys how to braid in the front. So that's why we have this braid in the front right now. But we're about to start styling in the back, okay? So I'll start with the back, guys, and I'll just start making a bun with this, making sure you're using enough bobby pins, guys, because this style, guys, we're using a lot of bobby pins. So just secure that on the back and then take the second one, put that one, that's the longer one. So just make sure you start, you're gonna go around on the first one that you did. Use some bobby pins to secure it. Just making sure you're tucking in and securing everywhere where you know your hair is showing and everything. Make sure you're putting bobby pins like the way I just did right there. I just secured the back with the bobby pins as well because there was some hair showing, you know. But yeah, so that way it looks nice and cute, okay? For the first bun, honey, just secure that as well on the head and start going around. Use some bobby pins to secure it. Guys, I used about maybe 10-15 bobby pins for this whole style, so make sure you're using enough bobby pins. Okay. So it is nice and quick and easy, guys. Look at that. Okay, guys, so you know me, I have to accessorize everything, okay? All right, so I got this gold string from Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description box. This accessory is so cute. I'm gonna be using a bobby pin to secure it, and I'll just start going around. You can do it as you like. So just have fun with it, guys. So I did this and I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, it came out. It made this whole style go, whoa. Okay, sister. Yes, sister. Yes, guys. So this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what you guys want to see in my next video. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. Take care. Stay blessed. Mwah. Bye.